I'm hungry. What's up, Jersey Jeff Eats foodies? Welcome to a Jersey Jeff Eats Second Helping Rewind. These Second Helping Rewind videos are where I show a food video from my other channel, the New York channel, that some of you older New York subscribers might have seen before, but many have not. And most of the Jersey Jeff Eats subscribers haven't seen at all. All of these videos are, of course, food related in places that I have visited in the past. If you've seen it before, hopefully it's something you might want to watch over, but if not, that's cool. There'll be lots more original content on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel every week. All I'm doing is adding content to this brand new growing food channel, and hopefully you'll enjoy it again or for the first time. Today's video is all about stopping off for a late night buffet snack on the NCLs Getaway. I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. I've been recording all day. I had breakfast, I had lunch. It is almost 9:30 and I haven't even had dinner yet. So a lot of the places have closed. There's a couple open, but I decided because I'm going to an 80s party at 10:30, I need something quick. And I'm really not that hungry, believe it or not. So I'm going to head up to the Garden Cafe, which sounds fancy, but it's basically just a buffet. And at this time of the night, it's all snacks. So we'll see what that turns out to be. Anyway, follow me upstairs. We're heading towards, actually it's downstairs. We're heading to the Garden Cafe. I'm sure I'll return to the Garden Cafe for either a breakfast or lunch or dinner, just to see what the buffet is actually like. Like I said, after 9:30, it's all snacks. So we'll see what it looks like. Whatever. So I lied, it is upstairs, it's on deck 15. We're on deck 10 right now. By the way, that area we just passed, that pool area, is where the 80s party is going to be in about, I'm going to say 40 minutes. So I'm going to eat at the Garden Cafe, a little snack I guess. We'll see what they have to offer. And then I'm going to head over to that, but that's going to be a separate video. Anytime you enter a restaurant on any Norwegian cruise liner, you're greeted with a friendly crew member who offers you hand sanitizer and says, "Washy, washy, happy, happy." It's cute the first couple hundred times. This place is usually very busy, but it's kind of late at night. Just snacks. It's freezing in here. We got some cake and pastries. It looks like some pizza is being put out. Looks like we got some makings for some tacos. We also have some chili and cheese sauce if you're interested in hot dogs. There's some fried chicken here. Let's see, we have some toppings for the hot dogs or the tacos. Some fresh fruit.
Gross!
We got some pretty darn good looking finger food here. Not sure what it is, but I'll be back for some of that. Alrighty, I got my plate and I'm about to load her up. Let's go. This food reminds me so much of my college days, and, well, actually, all the days after college as well. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel and you haven't subscribed yet, why not do so right now? Just click on that little Jersey Jeff Eats logo in the lower right hand corner of your screen, and if you're enjoying this video in particular, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate your support, guys. Now, before you guys leave comments in the area below, I realize I did not come on a cruise to eat this kind of food, hot dogs and nachos and pizza. But I had two great meals here on the ship today, and I've been very busy and I missed dinner. So I'm certainly not going to miss dinner tomorrow night, but I'm not even that hungry. So because of the two big meals I had a huge breakfast and a huge lunch, a late lunch. So this is what I'm eating tonight. And again, I realize you don't come on a cruise to eat this kind of food, but it is what it is, and I think I'm going to actually be pretty happy with it. I haven't actually eaten a legitimate meal here at the buffet here on the Norwegian Getaway. So I'm starting off with this snack thing at the buffet, but I will probably stop off here for breakfast and lunch and check out what the breakfast and lunch buffets are like. I don't want to come here for dinner because there's so many nice restaurants here for dinner that I don't want to pass those up. So I'll probably stop by for breakfast and lunch and bring you those videos as well. I love raw onions on a hot dog, and I probably should have put a little of that cheese sauce on there as well. Hot dog was good for late night food. Nachos, not so much. Pretty much tasteless. And I should have realized it when I put that cheese on, that it was very watery. And that's exactly what it is, watery and tasteless. So most of the nice restaurants here on the ship close at 9:30, which I think is kind of early for a cruise ship. But there are places that are open, like right here at the Garden Cafe, as well as the Irish pub that's open 24/7. So is the bar there. So I'm definitely going to stop off there, get some fish and chips somewhere along this cruise journey that I'm on. I'm going to stop off there and do a video at the Irish pub as well. Is flavorful, but the crust is horrible. This is kind of like that late night college food that we used to eat. You know, when you've been out clubbing all night and then you're starving and you want to have something to eat. This reminds me of that kind of food. But you know what? It's serving its purpose right now. I don't want to go to bed hungry, and I'm not going to do that tonight. Now this is what really intrigues me. It's soft herbed cheese on pumpernickel bread with a little, it looks like arugula and a strawberry. I'm a sucker for cheese. And I pretty much knew how the hot dog was going to taste. It wasn't bad. The nachos weren't good at all. And the pizza, like I said, flavorful, but the crust wasn't that great. And I kind of knew all that when I was putting this on the plate. This, however, I'm really curious about. I have no idea what it's going to taste like. That's actually really good. Cheese is a little sweet. It's like garlic herb cheese, but it tastes a little bit sweet. Maybe it was the little strawberry that was on it. That's really good. I realize a lot of these shots of me eating are very unflattering, but you know what? I could edit them out if I wanted to, but hey, we're all family here, right? I picked up some kind of rum cake and a apple sliced tart. 2 small pieces of dessert. I don't want to eat too many sweets. I'm going to an 80s party right after this snack, and don't want too much sugar in my system because I plan on doing a little imbibing of the alcoholic beverages. Cake is dry. I mean dry. Well, that's it for my late night snack. I wasn't expecting anything spectacular, and that's pretty much what I got. Nothing spectacular. But you know what? My belly's full. My belly's always full, actually. I'm glad I stopped off here. I'm glad it was open. And I would have gone to the Irish pub, but I got this 80s party to go to, and I'm heading off to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you around.